Hi children, so I am back. Did you remember me? It's me, Sibimus. So this is my second module of class 2 mathematics. Did you go through last week activities? Yes or no? I hope you all go through that and did it in a good manner. Okay? Then shall we proceed today's class? Okay, so before that, let's recall what we learned in last class. Did you remember what we learned in last class? Last class, we discussed about the numbers from 1 to 100. Did you remember? Numbers from 1 to 100 we discussed. After that, number name. Okay, number name. In number name, I told something. Did you remember that one? You will make some mistakes when you are writing certain numbers. Did you remember that one? What is the spelling of 40? 40, how will you read 40? It is just 40. Then what is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Okay. Then what will be 50? How will you read that 50? Yes, it is 50. And what will be the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. Okay, the last number we studied was 100. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Then we learned the numbers, number names. Then we already studied about 3-digit numbers. Did you remember what is the third place we studied in last class? What was the third place? Yes, after ones, tens, we studied the third place. What was the third place? Yes, it was 100. The third place was the 100. Then from that, we studied the smallest 3-digit number. Did you remember which is the smallest 3-digit number? What was the smallest 3-digit number? Yes, it is 100. 100 and we will read it as 100. Okay, now let's move on to today's class. Okay, so we are dealing with class 2 mathematics unit 1 numbers up to 999. Okay, so in this class we are dealing with 3 topics. Okay, that is a continuation of the numbers from 401 to 600. Then second one will be count in hundreds. Then next one is the places, 100, tens and ones. Okay, then shall we move on to the first topic? First topic is numbers from 401 to 600. Numbers from 401 to 401 to 500. Okay, then shall we write the numbers in order? Are you ready? Okay, then first number will be 401. What is the number after 1? Number after 1 is 2. So, what will be the number after 401? It is 402. Okay, 402. Then after that, 403. Then 404. Okay, if it go like this, we will get 409. Then you will have some confusion. What is the number after 409? But it is easy. Okay, what is the number after 9? Okay, number after 9 is 10. So, what will be the number after 409? It will be 410. 410. Now, what is the number after 10? It is 11. So, what will be the number after 410? It will be 411. Then after that 412. Then 430. It will go like this. Then we will reach 490. There is the confusion will come. 419. What is the next number? But it is easy, okay? What is the number after 19? What is the number after 19? After 19 you are having 20. Okay, then what will be after 419? It is 420. Then next one. What is the number after 420? It will be, okay, 421. After that, 422. Then we move on to 429. Now can you tell what is the number after 429? After 29 it will be 30. Okay, then what will be after 429? It will be 430. Okay, Then after 430 you will get 431, 32, then you will reach here 440, then 41, 42, like that you will reach 450, then you will get 460, 470, we will write the last column, okay, 491. 491. What is the next number? 492. Okay, 492, 493. Then we will get 498. Then 499. 499 came. How will you write the next number? Did you remember? All the 9 will become, on the line will become 0. Okay, all the 9 will become 0. And after 4, what is the number after 4? It is 5. So, we will get 500. How will you read that number 500? 400. How will you read 400? 400 will be 400. Then what is the number 500? It will be 500. So, we wrote the numbers from 401 to 500. 401 to 500. Is it easy to write the numbers like this? Okay, now we will try the next set of numbers. What will the next set of numbers? Next set of numbers is from, can you tell what is the next set of numbers? Next set of numbers will be from, instead of 400, we will have now, we reached 500. So, it will be 501 to 600. 501 to 600. Okay, now let's see. How will you write the numbers from 501 to 600? Numbers from 501 to 600. So, what is the, you can see on the slide, you have first number 501, then 502, 503, like that 509, then 510. Okay, then after 10 you are having 11. Okay, 511, 512. It will go like this. You will get 519. After that 520. Okay, then after that 521, 522, 523. It will go like this. Then you will reach 591. 591. That we will write here. Okay, 591. Next will be 592. Okay, 593. It will go like this, 598, 599. So, we got 599. What will be the next number? 599. Next one will be, how will you write this one? All the 9 will become zeros. Okay, all the 9 will become 0. And 5 will become, simply it is 0. So, we got it as 600. How will you read this number? 600. It is, we will read it as 600. So, we wrote the numbers from 501 to 600 and we will read it as 600. Is it clear to you? How will you write the numbers from 600 and 501 to 600? Next one we have to study is about the places. Did you remember this one you studied in first standard about the places? Next one we have to study is about the places. So, in first standard you studied 2 places. What is the first place we studied? First place we will study is the ones. Then what is the second place? Tens. Okay. Now, you can see here ones and tens places. Do you know what is tens place? In tens place box we are having 10 boxes. You can count from here. Can you count how many boxes are there in tens? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Tens place means we are having 10 blocks. Then what is meant by ones? Ones place how many you will have? You are having 1 single boxes you are having in ones place. Okay, did you remember this one you studied in first standard? Okay, so now these are the some questions based on the places ones and tens. Okay, so before that we will take one number 4 and 8. 4 and 8. What is the number? This one 48. Number is 48. Now what is the number in ones place? 8. Okay. 8 is in ones place. 8 is in one place. Then 4. 4 is in which place? 4 is in tens place. So we are having 4 is in tens place and 8 is in ones place. Now take the number 70. How will you write 70? Okay. It is 70. So 0 is in which place? 0 is in ones place and 7 is in tens place. This one you already studied in first standard. Now there is a worksheet for you. Can you complete this one? So, in the first question, what is the number given there? First number is 2, 3. How will you read that 2, 3? 23. Okay, now can you tell how many tens are there in 23? Yes, it is 2. There are 2 tens and how many ones are there? 3 ones. There are 2 tens and 3 ones. Now we will go to the second one. What is the second one? 4, 8. Why will you read this number 4, 8? How will you read 4, 8? Yes, it is 48. Now we have to write how many ones and tens are there in 48. Can you tell how many ones are there in 48? Yes, it is 8. And how many tens? It is 4. Okay. Now if you go on like this, you have another number 60. How will you read 60? Yes, it is easy for you. No, it is 60. Now how many ones are there? It is 0. There is only 0 ones there. Then how many tens are there? There is 6. So, in 60 we are having 6 tens and 0 ones. Now, next number 98. How many tens? How many tens are there? 9. Okay. How many ones? 8. Okay. Very good. Now, it is 9 tens and 8 ones. Now, this is the last number for you. Do you want to try that one? Last number 87. Okay. 87. Think and tell how many ones are there? How many ones? Yes, it is 7. Now we are having 7 ones. Then how many tens are there? How many tens? 8. Okay, so in 87 we are having 8 tens and 7 ones. Okay, so this one we already studied in the first standard. Now we have to study about the third place. Do you remember what the third place we studied? Yes, it is 100. The third place we studied is 100. Okay. Third place we studied is 100. So, this is the next place, that is 100. Ones and tens we already studied. Ones place, here only one single box. Tens means we are having 10 small boxes in one strips, and in 100. Can you see one square there? Can you count how many boxes are there? If you count one by one, do you know how many squares you will get there? How many squares? Can you count? Just count how many squares are there. Did you got how many squares are there? There are 100 squares. There are 100 squares. That's why we are calling that place as 100 place. Okay. So in 100 place we are using a 100 square box. Okay. So 100 place we are having tens place and ones place. Okay. So there is a table for that. That is 100 place we are having 100 small boxes, and in tens we are having, in a strip we are having 10 small boxes, and in ones place there is only one single box in that one. Okay. Now shall we try one example how to write the places of 3-digit numbers. Okay. Places of, we will try one number. What is the first number we learned? 100 only, no? First number we learned is 100. Okay. Now 100. First number is 0. 0 is in which place? This one you already studied in first standard. 0 is in ones place. 0 is in ones place. And we are second place also we are having 0. Then this 0 is in which place? It is in tens place. Okay, this is already you studied in first standard. Next one is a new thing for you. Next number we are having 1. That is in the third place. What is the third place? Yes, it is hundreds. Now here 1 is in the 100 place. 1 is in the 100 place. Okay. So here first number ones place, second one tens, and the third number is in the 100 place. Shall we try one more number? Okay. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Now can you tell what is the first place? First place is ones. Okay. So what is the first number? 6. 6 is in which place now? 6 is in ones place. Very good. 6 is in ones place. Now can you tell next one? 4. 4 is in which place? 4 is in tens place. Very good. You are doing So next one, last number, 3-digit number in the third place, that is 2. So 2 is in the 100 place. 2 is in the 100 place. So we are having 2, 4, 6 in that. 6 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, again 2 is in the 100 place. Did you remember what is the smallest one 3-digit number we studied? Smallest 3-digit number? Yes, it is 100. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay. Now we are having a worksheet for you. From that you are having the square boxes and we will do that one. Okay. Okay, find the number from this slide. Okay, you have to find the number from this one. Can you see in a purple color box? Can you identify which place is that purple color one? Purple color. Okay, it is the 100 place. Now you are having 3 strips. That is the which place? Okay, tens place, because it is having 10 small boxes. Okay. Now next one you are having a blue box, that is the ones place. Now you have to tell how many hundreds are there. How many hundreds are there? This is 1, and here how many? 2. So you are having how many hundreds? We are having 200s. We are having 200s. Then how many tens are there? How many 10 strips are there? Count how many green? 1, 2, 3. So we are having 3 tens. Now how many ones are there? Count the small boxes. That is 1 and 2. So you got it as 2, 3, 2. So the number is, how will you read this number? We will study later about this one. So we will read it as 232, that we will study later. Okay. Now just you have to identify the number from the grid. Okay. So number is 232, that is 232. Then next one, can you count how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds? First one 100, then next 200, then 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. So how many hundreds will be there? There will be 7 hundreds. Okay, there will be 7 hundreds. Then how many tens are there? Count the 10 strips. How many 10 strips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are having 5 tens. Then how many ones are there? Count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are having 5 ones. So 7 hundreds, 5 tens and 5 ones we are having. Okay. Now this is an easy way to read the hundreds. Okay. So if you are having a 100 grid rows, it will be 100. Now can you tell what is the second grid? One grid means 100. So here you are having 2 squares of 100 blocks. So what will be the number here? Here it is 100, here also 100. So what will be the number for this number grid? It will be 100, 100, it will be 200. Okay, very good. So that number will be 200, 200. Now, can you tell this third one? Here there are having, you have to count how many hundreds? 1, then 2, then 3. So what will be the number? It will be 300. Yes, it is 300. Now, if you want, you can refer this one in your textbook. It is already given in the textbook. That is, you can refer this one in the textbook, page number 3. Okay, first lesson, page number 3. Now, identify the next number. How many hundreds are there? Count 1, then 2, 3 and 4. So, we are having 400 blocks. So, what is the number? It will be 400. Okay. Then next one, how many 100 blocks? That is count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, what will be the number? Next number will be 500. Then last one is for you. Do by yourself that one. Last one, count how many 100 blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5 and 6. They are having 600 blocks. So, what will be the number? Number will be 600. Did you got? How will you count the boxes? One square you are having 100 small boxes. That's why we are calling it as hundreds. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and last one it is 600. So, the number will be 600. Okay. Then, so did you understood what we learned today? Did you understood? So, now we studied about the ones and tens places. isn't it? We studied about ones and tens places. Okay, there is one number given for you. Can you tell how many ones and tens are there in 45? The number is 4, 5. The number is 4, 5. You have to tell how many ones and tens are there in 45. Can you tell how many ones and tens? Here it is 5 now. So what is the number in ones place? 5. Okay, then tens place 4. So what is the numbers in ones and tens place? We are having in ones place we are having 5 and tens place we are having 4. Okay, very good. Now next one is a number grid for you. So there is a blue box for you. Can you guess the number? Can you guess the number? What will be the number? How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds? How many hundred blocks are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many hundreds will be there? There will be 400s. Okay, there will be 400. Now, how many tens? Count the 10 strips. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Isn't it? Is it 8 or 7? Count once again. How many tens are there? It is 8. Yes, it is 8 only. I got some confusion. That's why I asked you. Okay. It is 8. Now, how many ones are there? How many ones? It is easy for you. Ones you can count very easily. It is only 5 ones are there. Okay. Now, move on to the second one. Can you do this one easily? Is it easy for you? I thought it is easy. That is why I took it for you. Okay. Now, move on to the second one. How many hundreds are there? Hundreds you can find it easily. How many hundreds are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we are having 500. After 100, we are having tens. Can you see any tens there? Can you see any tens there? 10 strips? No, it is missing. So, what will you do if it is missing? We will add a 0 for you. Okay, 0. Then, next one is the tens ones for you. Okay, how many ones are there? Count it. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, we are having 7 ones. 5, 0, 7. We are having 500s, 0 tens and 7 because 10 strip is missing. It is not there. Okay. So, we will add it as 0. Okay. Now, move on to the third one. Third one. Can you do that one? Third one. How many hundreds? How many hundreds are there? Okay. Very good. 5. We are having 500s. Okay. Then, how many tens? Is it tens? Yes. Here we are having tens. Okay. How many tens are there? 2. Okay. Very good. 2 tens. Then, how many ones? How many ones? Okay. 6. We are having 6 ones. So, we got it as 5, 2, 6. So, number will be 526. Okay. So, this is the thing we studied today. Okay. We studied the places, ones and tens that we already studied, and we studied the third place, that is hundreds. Okay. So, after this, we are having a worksheet for you. Okay. Will you complete this one? Worksheets and assignments you have to copy to as in your notebook. Okay. Worksheets and assignment you have to copy down in your notebook and you have to keep. Okay. So, first one is the write the numbers. We already wrote the numbers from 401 to 500. So, first one is the numbers from 401 to 500. Then second one, 501 to 600. When you write the numbers, you will have some confusion. When the confusion will come, when we are reaching 499, then confusion will come. So, how will you write next number? All the 9 will become 0 and 4 will become 5. So, number will be 500. Then next one, 501 to 600. Okay. So, do that one. Then next is worksheet. Next one is assignment. This also you have to copy in your notebook. Okay. Write the number. Okay. From the number grid you have to write the number. That is first one. We will do the first one for you. Okay. How many hundreds are there? How many hundred? There is only 100. Okay. There is only 100. Then how many tens are there? Here we are having tens. How many tens are there? Yes, it is 4. We are having 4 tens. Then how many ones? Count and tell how many ones are there. We are having 5 ones. Like that you have to complete all the 4 questions. Okay. That is the assignment for you. Then next one also, that is from the table you are given certain numbers. So, you have to write numbers in 100, tens and ones place. You have to draw the table in your notebook, copy the numbers, then write the places. Okay, first one we will try. We will try the first one. Okay, 2, 4, 8. What is the number in ones place? Say fast. Oh, okay, it is ones place we are having 8. Now, can you tell what is the number in 100 place? Yes, it is 2. I didn't ask tens place now. I asked only 100 place. So, number in the 100 place is 2 and number in the tens place is 4 and the number in the ones place we are having 8. Okay, then we will try the last one. 148. What is the number in ones place? Ones place we are having 8 and tens place we are having 4 and 100 place we are having 1. Okay, is it clear to you? From the numbers are given, you have to just write the numbers in 100, tens and ones. Copy, draw this table in your notebook, write the number, then fill in the places. Okay, that is the activity given to you. Did you understand what all things we studied? Okay, so we studied 3-digit numbers, then we studied the places, ones, tens, 100. Then from the number grid, we wrote the numbers in order. Okay, so with this, I am winding up. So, do the activity and worksheet in your notebook. So, next week we will meet. Then you have to complete all this one. Okay. So, bye bye. See you next week.